guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. This is your first time on my channel. You're highly welcome. Welcome all my amazing subscribers. I love you all for your support. I love you all for just being you. Thank you all so much for your support. I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys. So today we have an Iceland haul. Okay, today is 25th. Either 25th or 26th of January 2024. Before I go on 2024, before I go and say rubbish. Welcome back to the channel. Okay guys, please, I don't know if I should keep telling people to even like the video because people are not even liking. Anyway, just watch. So thank you all so much for your support, and let's dive right into this haul. Okay guys, so this is everything on the haul. I'm trying to zoom the camera, sorry. Yeah, it is everything on the haul here on the table. So Iceland, everything is from Iceland. Okay, yeah guys, so everything is from Iceland. Okay guys, yeah, so I have my Iceland receipt. The food warehouse. Okay, so this haul cost me £120, 20p before all the discount was taken out. After all the discount we are taken out, it is now left with £110.55p to pay. Okay, so in no particular order, I'm just going to start with whatever is on top of the receipt. That's what I'm going to start with. Okay, and on top of my receipt I have the McCoin. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right though. The chips, this one over here. Okay, so I have 3 of these. 1, 2, there's another one there, 3. Okay, so I got 3 of them. And then the next thing on top here is the burger, which is at this end here. It's not the burger, it's quarter pounder. Oh, did I tell you guys the price of the chips? The chips is 3 for £10. They are still doing 3 for £10. Okay, so I got a quarter pounder here. It's £5 each, so I got 2 of them. Okay, quarter pounder. And then I got chicken nugget, which is right here. I got 2. One is £6. The quarter pounder is £5. I got 2 £10. I got the chicken nugget £6 for 1. I got 2 £12. And then I got the burger buns. Where did I put the burger buns? Oh, it's over here. Burger buns is £2. I got just 1. I got the hot and spicy chicken wings. They are over here. It's 3 for £10. And I got 3. That's 1, 2, and the third one 3. Okay. And then the next thing here is the chicken burger, which are over here. It's been a while I bought this because we used to have a lot, but now it's completely run out. So I got this. This is also 3 for £10. There's 3 of them there. That's 1, 2, and the bottom one 3. Okay guys, and then we have pork sausage, which are these ones here, the Irish pork sausage. So the pork sausage are £3.50, so 2 is £7. I got 2. That's the bottom one, pork sausage. Okay, and then we have the next item here is cooked ham. This time around I didn't shit myself. I got 3 is £5 for the cooked ham. You guys can already see the price. Last time I made a mistake, I picked only 2. So it's 3 for £5. And then I got the cheese, which is £3.60. The cheese now, they don't do 3 for anything anymore. It's just the price, £3.60. I got just 1. Okay, and then I got some chocolate cookie, which is right here. Chocolate cookie is £5 for the chocolate cookie. Then I got banana. It's been a while I ate banana, so I decided to buy banana. Banana is not really my kind of thing. I just feel like I want to eat banana, so I bought banana. £1. I'm even hoping I can even eat it finish before it goes completely bad, because already it's bruised here already, you guys can see. So there's just 5 inside for £1. Okay, and then we have the irons. Normally I won't buy irons, but let me tell you guys the egg first, because the egg is next. So the egg is £2.20. I got 2, which is £4.40. Okay, these are the egg. There's 2. You guys can see there's 2 already. I try to make sure I select the ones that are a bit bigger. Yeah, so that it's not like everything is just small. I always open the box like this to select, like look, to make sure that when you carry the carton it feels a bit weighty. That's the one I always go for. So the eggs are £2.20, 2 is £4.40. Okay, and then we have the Heinz tomato ketchup. You guys know that you won't really see this in my haul. You know, you won't see this, but because I wasn't going to go anywhere else, I just wanted to just go to Iceland and come back home because I'm going to work today. I'm working throughout this week until next week Tuesday, so I didn't want to be going up and down. I just want to go and come back. So I bought irons. They are doing 2 for £7. So I got 2. So you guys can see it's the big one. This is the 1.35 kilo. Okay, it's £7. It's always, to me, I feel it's always too pricey. Some might be too pricey. That's why I don't really buy it. And my kids, they will just press the whole bottle finish before you know it, because it's quite nice, you see. So it's 2 for £7. Okay guys, because there's an offer on it. And then I got some milk, skim milk. The skim milk is over here. I got 2 skim milk. They are £2.20. So 2 is £4.40. Okay, for the skim milk. Then I also got this drink. You guys know, I'm very familiar with this drink, right? So I got this drink. I'm sure you guys are familiar with the drink, because I always get it most of the time. Okay, they are still doing 3 for £3. They are £1 each. So they are still doing it 3 for £3. They are normally £1.20 something or £1.30 something when the offer stop, because in Sainsbury's they sell them for £1.25 or £1.30, something like that. So they are doing the offer of 3 for £3 Iceland. Okay, and then I got some slushy, which is over here. I got 4 slushy, and they're over here. The first slushy is £6. It's £1.50 for one, so there's 4 of them there. 4 of them. £6. And then we got some oats, a big oat, which I normally buy. The oat is £3.50. That is the oat you're looking at. And then I bought just one, £3.50. Then I got tortilla wrap, which is this one here, £1.25. I bought just 1 of the tortilla wrap. And we got some cucumbers. The cucumbers are 85p. 2 is £1.70. Then we have I'm looking for the lettuce. The price of the lettuce. Anyway, the lettuce. Okay, I found it. The lettuce is 85p. I bought 2. 85p. 2 is £1.70. The cucumber is the same thing, £1.70 for the 2. Then I got some wholemeal bread, which is over here. They are £1, so 2 is £2 for the wholemeal bread. I think that's everything in this haul. I don't think I missed anything. Let me check my receipt. Yeah, so that's everything on the haul, guys. I didn't miss anything, so let me show you guys properly. Again, biscuits, some drink. I like these chips for this 3 for £10. It's really a bargain, considering the fact they sell one for like £4 something elsewhere. So I feel it's a bargain, really, in true honesty, in Iceland. That's why I keep buying the chips. Yeah guys, so that's everything in the haul. So it cost me £110, 55p after the discount. Before discount, £120, 20p before discount. Yeah, okay, that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I would want to say, please give the video a like, please guys, because people don't just watch without liking, and it's free to like. So I don't know, maybe I should stop saying like the video. Well, if you enjoy watching, please give the video a like, okay, and share it if you enjoy watching it. Consider subscribing if you enjoy watching shopping hauls and you haven't subscribed already. Consider subscribing, okay guys. Thank you so very much. I appreciate you all for watching, for clicking to watch. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.